Hello, my friends. I got a package in the mail and want to show you what I received. I did loosen the tape because watching me try to struggle with tape is maybe entertaining for you, but not fun for me. So inside this surprise package from Popped Passion is, I think, a popcorn cake. I have not actually opened it yet, but it looks like it is. It comes pretty cool and safely wrapped with lots of bubble wrap, which not only protects the cake, but also ensures that my kids have something fun to play with. So taking this out of the box, it's a perfect size box for it too. It comes with the nice little Popped Passion sticker on the front, and I can slide it out to show you. I actually took off a sticker from the front of it by accident, but we'll just pretend like it's still there because I can put it back on exactly where it belongs. Okay, so fluff it up a little, just because anything that gets shipped might get a little bit shrunken and crushed because packaging, but this is what a Popped Passion popcorn cake looks like. So it's made with popcorn and has all sorts of different toppings that you can include on it. So thank you to Maria for sending me this surprise. When it arrived at my door, I was happy, but not sure what the package was that was coming for me. This one looks like it is caramel, pretzel, and chocolate, which are my three favorite flavors to combine together. I am very much a sweet and a salty person. Having tried a Popped Passion cake that Maria very generously sent me a while ago, these are fantastic. The popcorn is not stale at all. It's not super dry. My son doesn't like cake. I don't understand. And so we always struggle a little bit for his birthdays and so forth to determine what is it that we're going to give him. It is actually his half birthday, so I'm sure Maria had no idea. This is perfect timing because this is his half birthday cupcakes this year. Instead of doing a full cake, we do cupcakes, but I think this is absolutely perfect. So once you open this up, and I will show this in a little while later, you just slice it. I found using a serrated knife worked the best, and then I suppose you could eat it with a knife and fork, but I'll be honest, we just all kind of picked it up and ate it. But it has great flavor. Ours, somehow we managed to keep for 3 or 4 days before it all disappeared. It never went stale, never got yucky. There's all sorts of really great flavors and so forth. I want to say that each popcorn cake from Popped Passion that is this full size is $25 per cake. That said, I believe every once in a while there might be some discounts, so be on the lookout for those. But regardless, this is super cute. I love how it comes all packaged tight and nice to keep it to keep it fresh, as well as the ribbon that makes it extra special, pretty, and so forth. So hang on a moment and we will show you in a little while what this actually looks like all cut up. So you got a chance to see what the cakes actually look like. And obviously not the same day, different hair, different clothes, but it was too dark after we had my son's half birthday party for me to be able to show you what the cake looks like when it's cut. So this is a slice of the Popped Passion cake, and I found the easiest thing to do was to use a serrated knife to cut through it. So I don't know if you can see, but it cuts pretty smoothly in here, so it looks nice in terms of being a slice. This is 2 days after we opened and cut it. And even now, when you take it, it's still very soft. You can see how easy it is for me to pull that off. It's really marshmallowy. And I will tell you, the cake, it's not super sweet to the point where you're like, whew, too much sugar, can't deal with it. It's a perfect balance of the sweet and salty, which is exactly what I'm looking for and what I like the best. And then all of the different pieces are within the cake and around the cake. You don't so much have the fillings inside, but there are plenty of them all around the top and on the back side for you to be able to enjoy your cake and have a perfect time. Also, be on the lookout for coupon codes because quite often you will be able to find a $5 off your Popped Passion popcorn cake discount code, which, you know, makes it even more affordable and more fun. For me, we've tried this, we love it. It was a lot of fun. I think the salty and sweet combo of the caramel, chocolate, and popcorn and pretzels is exactly up my alley. But you can also customize your cakes to either one of the existing versions and varieties that maybe something that you really like, or you can even customize your cake with your own favorites. So go ahead, try Pop Passions and tell me what you think.